loves, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. So guys, this is our last Glam Bag Plus. This is my March 2023. You guys are familiar with the upcoming changes with IPSY and BoxyCharm. They merged together, and now there will no longer be a Glam Bag Plus or a BoxyCharm base box. Now there is going to be a combined subscription for them too, and it's going to be called what are they combining it into? Is it a name for it? No, they're just combining the subscriptions. So there's no longer a Boxy base, and there's no longer a IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So this will be the last IPSY Glam Bag Plus on this channel for the March 2023 box. Lots of changes. I'm going to have to find another subscription box to add to this channel. If you guys have recommendations of what you would like to see me unbox, or what you would like me to subscribe to and show you guys on this channel, please hit me up in the comments and let me know. But guys, without any further delay, let's go ahead and get into our very last IPSY Glam Bag Plus bag. So guys, this is how it comes in the mailer. This is how she comes in the bag inside. And we have a little cute design on here. That's cute. I like the colors. It looks like a Greek woman on the front in the outline. But I like the colors of the bag. So let's go ahead and get into here. We have 5 full-size products that come in this bag. And oh, that's what talking just about the IPSY. Oh, they have some material in here about some of the changes going on. And they have noted that the IPSY Glam Bag X will now be called the Icon Box. So just a little information for you guys, so you guys know. But with all these daggone changes, so the Icon Box is going to be $58 a quarter, just like how the Boxy Lux was, for you guys to know. And it'll have 8 full-size products, or I guess that's similar to the same Glam Bag X as well, because they both were quarterly boxes. So now there's just one quarterly box, and it is the Icon Box from moving forward. So let's go ahead and get into our Glam Bag Plus, our last one. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this product here. We have a Saturday Skin product, and this is a vitamin C sleep mask. I love sleep masks, especially vitamin C's. They're always good with getting all the little extra marks off your face, especially if you got acne prone skin like me. You're always looking for something to get marks off your face. So this is the product here. Isn't this neat how they packaged it? Like, it's like a little dome inside here, but as you can see, they got all this extra packaging. It's not that much in here. It's only 1.6 fluid ounces in here, but this is what it says. The weekend recipe is what they're calling this. You're just going to apply this after your moisture, leave on overnight, and go to bed. It says Sweet Dreams cold pressed yuzu seed oil and an encapsulated vitamin C complex helps to improve the appearance of stressed skin and to look deeply hydrated and vibrant and target with antioxidants. So that is this first product here. So this is the vitamin C overnight sleeping mask made by Saturday Skin, and we've gotten products from them, and I think BoxyCharm a lot more than IPSY. So that's the first product in our box. The next thing that I have here is a Lavido product, and this is a body lotion. So this is the aromatic musk and coconut body lotion. We have a 4.5 fluid ounce size. Is this already open, or does it have a safety seal? Oh, it has a safety seal. So guys, even through the seal, I'm smelling the coconut. I don't smell the musk, but I do smell the coconut. So I can't wait to try this out. You can't beat getting a lotion. It says musk and coconut aromatic body lotion. Does it give you anything? It has shea butter in it, hydrates and protects, leaving the skin soft, supple, and delicately scented with musk and coconut throughout the day. So that is our second product. The third product we have in here, we have a lip product, Lip Love by Lucky Chick. I am not familiar with this brand at all. I have not heard of them before. So this is a calming comfort lip treatment. We have the fragrance of sweet vanilla, and let me just pop her out real quick. I think this is also a good time to have lip treatments with this weather that doesn't seem to want, winter doesn't want to leave, and I'm waiting for spring to come in, and it's been pretty cold and dry. So I think any lip treatment would be kind of good. It has a little thing. This is what it looks like. It has a very light fragrance of vanilla to it. But I could definitely use a lip treatment. No complaints over here. Did they give us any information? It's enriched with rose seed oil, coffee oil, and jojoba oil is in here. So that is the Lip Love by Lucky Chicks. So this is their lip treatment. And we have a Mally product, guys. And I have a Cheeky Glow All Over product. So give your skin a flush of natural looking color with Mally's All Over Cheek Glow. Infused with vitamin E and I can't even pronounce it. I'm going to just stop. So this is the product here, guys. And we have Mad About Mauve is the color that we have here. And let me take this plastic off. So these are our two colors that we have here, guys. I think these are nice colors. For the cheeks, definitely. So basically this is a cream-based product. So you're just gonna put this on your cheeks. And it says the formula creates a gorgeous dewy look without feeling sticky or tacky. That's very important. So I think these are really nice shades, especially for the spring as we go in. I think these are really nice. I can't wait to try this out. I know this other light color probably is not going to work for me, but I probably can mix them together and get a really nice cheek look with them. So it's not out. But I'm sure I can mix them together and kind of have a little bit more fun with making it more customized to my skin tone. So that is the Mally Get Cheeky All Over Glow. And this is Mad About Mauve is the color that we have here. So guys, we actually have another Mally product. And Mally, if you guys are not familiar, they sell her products on QVC. And that is how I first came in contact with Mally. And this is actually what kind of got me to start playing with makeup more. I started ordering stuff from off of QVC of her products. And I really enjoyed a lot of the products that I had from her. So this one here, we have a eyeshadow palette, guys. And this one is called Best Dressed Lids. So there's quite a few colors in here based on what we have in the back. So let me pop it open so I can show you. These are really nice colors. I'm going to flip the mirror down so I don't blind you. But we have Cocktail Hour, Date Night, After Hours. And this is going across the top, by the way. Girls Night Out, Beach Day, Latte Brunch, Power Brunch, Charity Gala on the second row. Monday Meetings, Book Club, Dance Party, Black Tie Event, Romantic Picnic, and Music Concert. That's pretty cool. But I think this is a nice palette, guys, to actually use. It says, whatever the occasion or the mood, there's a shade that's perfect in this 14 well palette. You'll have your pick of mauve or shimmering shades and neutrals or bold. Every shade works beautifully alone or play well together. I think this is really nice. I think this is nice. I can't wait to get my hands in this one. I think you got a lot of options. Every day or night palette. I think you can have a lot of fun with this. So I like this. This is cool. So guys, we got through all 5 products. So we have our Mally eyeshadow palette. We have our Cheeky palette here, Cheeky Glow by Mally as well. We have a lip treatment by Lucky Chick. We have a Lavido product, which is a body lotion. We have a Saturday Night Skin Vitamin C Sleeping Mask. And that is my entire Glam Bag Plus for the month of March 23. I thought it was a pretty decent one. I'm actually more hyped about the makeup than probably the other 3 skincare kind of products here. So the Mally stuff, the Mally cheek palette here and the eyeshadow palette I'm really happy about. The others, they're okay. I don't have a problem. I like skincare stuff. It's not bad. But guys, this is our very last Glam Bag Plus. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you enjoyed out of this bag. Did you like what was in here, or did you get something else in the bags that you got? Because I know some of you do subscribe to the subscription and you also get this. Let me know in the comments what you got, what you thought about this month's bag. This was okay. Nothing to blow me away for the very last Glam Bag Plus bag, but it was okay. I'm cool with it. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider tapping the like button. It lets me know what you guys enjoy on this channel. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. It would greatly help me on this small channel here on YouTube. And it also lets me know what you guys are interested in. Hit me up in the comments and let me know if there's any other subscription box that you would like me to check out on this channel. But guys, until our next video, I will see you next time. Stay blessed. Bye.